Do I really need to tell you why Jgoot is the right thing for you? Look around. Look at my smile. This is life. To be able to travel on the pennies, on a dollar, to be able to be in fantastic locations, to have a wonderful group of friends that you get to see over the years and develop great friendship with.
And 4.5 years ago changed my life, being able to learn the techniques and the strategies in order to utilize points and gain more points so that you can keep taking trips of a lifetime over and over again has truly defined who I am as a human.
Hey, I'm Joel McDonald, founder of Just Get Out of Town, also known as Jgoot. So we're not travel agents, we're a travel education company, and we teach people to travel for 70 to 95% less, sometimes with cash and sometimes with points. Now I know what you're thinking. You've probably experienced points in the past with various credit cards that you've had, and 100,000 points might get you $500 to $1,000 in statement credits, gift cards, and maybe even free flights or hotels. But in the right hands, points can be worth exponentially more than a penny apiece.
Last year I had to write down every month where I went because I went so many places thanks to Jgoot and being able to get business class miles for extremely cheap on almost every trip. I mean, wonderful, wonderful places that I would not have ever been able to do in less than a year without Jgoot.
We've flown dozens of times in business and first class, sometimes even in first class experiences that are better than even private jets. And instead of getting just $1,000 out of 100,000 points, it's entirely possible to get $3,000 to $20,000 worth of flights or hotels out of those points.
Now I can earn points, redeem points, and go on these fabulous trips that I never would have even thought about a year ago.
Since I joined Jgoot, I've gone on over at least $250,000 worth of free travel, and it's also completely changed the way I travel with my families.
As we've gotten older, we found it a lot harder to go across the pond or go on the really long flights for many hours in economy, and Jgoot has allowed us to use our points and to use them well. And so that is our biggest plus that we love, that we can fly in business class.
Now that I'm in Jgoot, I have business class travel to Japan booked in lie flat seats that I paid nothing for because I earned it with my normal spending habits, and I'm looking forward to traveling a lot more.
There are probably 10 more trips in the next couple of years that we have planned because of this group of amazing people.
With the community, with the leadership that Jgoot offers us, it's been an amazing adventure.
Yeah, so thank you.
Thank you.
Happy travels.